This video is going to show you how I make my larger size mineral lipstick base. So this is the jar that I store it in. So the first thing I want to do is I want to use 2 tablespoons. I can get this to level out. Okay, 2 tablespoons of magnesium myristate. Get a second tablespoon. Okay, and then I'm going to put 2 tablespoons of magnesium stearate. That's 1. Doesn't seem to want to level out. If I were getting it out of the larger bag, I usually run the spoon along the top of the bag, which levels it off. Okay, and then you put 3 tablespoons of calcium carbonate. That's 1. 2, and then 3. Let's get it where it's leveled off. Okay. So the minerals are very lightweight, so there's no reason to blend this. But if you wanted to put this in a blender, you absolutely can, for like just pop it for like just a few seconds. But what I do is I put it in this jar and then I just shake it. So once you do that, and that makes your larger base, so you're ready to go when you go to make a lipstick. And then all you have to do when you get ready to make a single lipstick, see all this coming out the top? That's why they tell you, and I always forget to do it in the beginning of my videos, to make sure you wear a mask so it keeps you from breathing in any of the minerals, micas, pigments. This will keep that from happening, so you always need to wear a mask. It's just good for safety. And then when I'm doing retail, not the videos, but when I'm making products for clients, I always have gloves on. And this is a good habit to get into when you first start making things. If not, your hands will look kind of like mine on a regular basis. But when I'm making videos and I'm experimenting, I don't like wearing it. It's just uncomfortable for me. So once you do that, then you take your tad spoon and all you do is scoop out 7 level tads to put in the cup, and then that becomes your base for your lipstick. Okay, that was showing you how to upsize your mineral lipstick base.